Want to make extra money, but don't know where to start? Whether you want to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or just earn some extra cash on the side, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the absolute best side hustles that are flexible, profitable, and perfect for beginners. Some of them you can start today with little to no investment. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal my favorite side hustle that made me over $10,000 last year in my spare time. Why are side hustles a game changer? Let's be honest, in today's economy, one income is rarely enough. Between rising inflation, student loans, stagnant wages, and unexpected expenses, having a side hustle isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for many people. But the good news is that is the perfect time to start. Thanks to emerging tech, AI tools, remote work trends, and the booming gig economy, there are now more ways than ever to earn money on your own terms. Whether you're a full-time worker, a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone with just a few spare hours each week, there's a side hustle out there for you. And don't worry, I'll be sharing real-world, beginner-friendly ideas that work right now. No fluff, no gimmicks, just practical steps to boost your income. 1. Freelancing. First up, one of the most popular and profitable side hustles out there, freelancing. Thanks to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and TopTal, you can sell your skills online and get paid by clients from all over the world. Popular freelance services include writing and editing, graphic and web design, social media management, video editing, voiceovers, data entry, translation. Virtual assistants don't have experience? No worries. There are free tutorials on YouTube and affordable courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare that can help you level up fast. Beginners often start at $10 to $25 per hour, but experienced freelancers can earn $50 to $100 plus per hour. Specialize in a niche. Instead of saying, "I'm a graphic designer," say, "I design social media posts for real estate agents." The more niche you are, the easier it is to stand out. 2. Selling digital products. Next, let's talk passive income, specifically selling digital products. What are digital products? These are things you create once and sell repeatedly with no inventory. Budget spreadsheets, ebooks, digital planners or journals, Canva templates, Notion dashboards, stock photography or video, online courses. Platforms to use: Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, Podia. Teachable. You don't need to be a design expert. Tools like Canva make it super easy to create beautiful, useful digital files. Example, I made a simple debt payoff tracker in Google Sheets, turned it into a PDF, uploaded it to Etsy, and now I get consistent sales every month, even while I sleep. Focus on solving a problem. Products that help people save time, stay organized, or hit their goals tend to sell best. 3. Delivery and driving. Gigs need cash fast? Then consider delivery or driving apps like DoorDash,
Uber Lyft,
Instacart, Amazon Flex. These are perfect if you want flexibility and don't mind being on the road. Pros: instant payouts. Some apps offer same-day cash out. You choose your schedule. No experience is required. Tips to earn more: work during peak hours, lunch, or dinner. Accept stacked orders when possible. Track your miles, they're tax deductible. Average income is $15 to $30 per hour depending on your area and timing. Keep snacks and a phone charger in your car. A smooth ride equals higher tips. 4. AI-powered side hustles. Welcome to the future. AI-powered side hustles are here, and they're booming. In tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva's Magic Studio are helping regular people make money fast. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts or product descriptions and sell them on Fiverr. Generate coloring books or journals using AI art tools and sell them on Amazon KDP. Offer AI content repurposing. Turn YouTube videos into blog posts. Learn how to use these tools and offer services to small businesses who don't have the time or know-how. Example, I helped a local real estate agent repurpose their social media content using AI. I charged $150 a month for something that took me 2 hours a week. This space is new and wide open. Be early and you'll stand out. 5. Selling stuff online got stuff collecting dust? Turn it into cash by selling online. Best platforms: Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, Mercury, OfferUp, Craigslist. Start by decluttering your home. Sell old phones, laptops, game consoles. List gently worn clothes. Get rid of unused furniture or decor. Want to scale this? Try retail arbitrage. Buy discounted items at Walmart, Target, or thrift stores and resell them online for profit. Use apps like Scoutify or the Amazon Seller app to check resale prices before you buy. 6. Print on demand. If you're creative but don't want to deal with inventory, try print on demand. Platforms: Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, Zazzle. You upload a design. When someone buys it, the platform prints and ships it. You never touch a product. Best pod products: T-shirts, mugs, tote bags, stickers. Hoodies focus on niches. The more specific, the better. Cat lovers, plant moms, nurses, teachers. Fitness junkies promote on social media or Etsy to drive traffic and boost sales. 7. Content creation. It's never too late to start creating content, especially in content platforms to consider: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, podcasting, blogging. Substack. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products. If you love sharing knowledge, storytelling, or teaching, this is your jam. Example niches: personal finance, productivity tips, tech reviews, parenting hacks, travel vlogs. Stay consistent, add value, and treat it like a long game. It may take a few months to build momentum, but content is an asset that compounds over time. 8. Pet sitting, babysitting, and task services. Don't underestimate offline side hustles. They're alive and well in. Try Rover or Wag for pet sitting and dog walking, Care.com or local groups for babysitting, TaskRabbit for errands, furniture assembly, or home help. These are great if you enjoy working with people or pets and want cash fast. You can schedule around your life, and many clients tip well for reliable service. Ask happy clients for referrals or reviews. Word of mouth grows your business faster than ads. 9. My favorite side hustle that made $10,000 last year as promised. Here's the one that made me over $10,000 last year: freelance content writing using AI tools. I used ChatGPT to write blog posts, create product descriptions, generate newsletters for small business owners. I started on Fiverr with a $25 gig. After 3 months and great reviews, I raised my rate to $75, then $150 for larger projects. And the best part? I only spent 8 hours a week on it. Low cost to start, easy to scale, and great for anyone who enjoys writing or editing. Which side hustle are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your goals and offer advice if you need help getting started. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs extra income in. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. You've got this. Let's build those income streams and make your most profitable year yet.